This is going to be our project car. It's a 1974 Corvette. It is far from being a stock standard Corvette at this point. Somebody's already done a lot of modifications on it. My goal is not to have a NCRS correct car. It's to have a good, solid driver. It won't necessarily be a daily driver because I don't think I'll take it out in the rain if I can avoid it. But then again, if it might rain, I probably will take it out because I intend on rust-proofing the undercarriage. Body is in fairly good shape. Rear end is from, I think, an 80. The engine has been highly modified. I don't know exactly what it is, but in part of the process I intend on tearing it down far enough that I will find out what's in it. So that's going to be the project.